AI is changing the game, and if you're not using it to automate your work and build passive income, you're leaving money on the table. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to escape the 9-to-5, AI can help you earn more while working less. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to automate your work and build passive income streams that make money while you sleep. Let's start with the most powerful AI automation strategy: content creation. Right now, businesses, brands, and influencers need massive amounts of content, from blog posts to social media captions to YouTube scripts. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality content in minutes, cutting down hours of work. Here's the trick. Instead of writing manually, train AI to write in your style and offer AI-powered content services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can even start a blog or YouTube channel and let AI handle most of the research and writing while you focus on strategy. Once your content starts getting traffic, you can monetize with ads and affiliate marketing, making passive income while AI does the work. Next, AI-powered video automation. Video is king, but it takes time and effort to create. AI tools like Runway ML, Pictory, and Synthesia can generate videos, voiceovers, and animations automatically. Many people are already using AI to create faceless YouTube channels that bring in thousands per month through ad revenue and sponsorships. The strategy is simple. Choose a niche, generate scripts with AI, use AI voices or avatars, and automate video production. Once uploaded, your videos can keep earning money for years without any extra work. Now, let's talk about AI business automation. If you run an online business, AI can handle customer service, marketing, and even sales on autopilot. AI chatbots like ChatGPT-powered assistants, ManyChat, and Drift can reply to customer inquiries, close sales, and even manage bookings. Meanwhile, AI-powered email marketing tools like GetResponse and HubSpot can send automated emails to convert leads into paying customers. This means you can sell products, services, or courses on autopilot without constantly managing the process yourself. Another passive income stream is AI-powered print-on-demand and e-commerce. Instead of spending hours designing products, let AI do the work. Tools like Midjourney and Doll can generate unique, high-quality designs for t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Once you have AI-generated designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy, and earn passive income every time someone makes a purchase, without handling inventory or shipping. Speaking of AI-powered businesses, affiliate marketing automation is another game changer. AI can write blog posts, create product reviews, and even generate engaging social media ads that drive traffic to affiliate links. Using AI-powered SEO tools like Surfer SEO and Phrase, you can optimize your content to rank higher on Google, bringing in organic traffic that converts into passive income. One of the most profitable AI automations is AI-powered investing and trading. AI trading bots like Pionex, Trade Ideas, and Stoic AI can analyze markets, predict trends, and execute trades automatically. Instead of spending hours researching stocks or crypto, AI can help you invest strategically and generate passive income over time. While it's not risk-free, those who learn AI-assisted investing can build wealth faster than traditional investors. Now let's talk about creating and selling AI-generated digital products. AI can help you create ebooks, stock images, music, and even voiceovers. And once you sell them, they keep generating income without any extra effort. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shutterstock let you upload AI-generated assets, and you earn money every time someone downloads them. Finally, AI-powered SaaS businesses. You don't need to be a developer to launch a profitable SaaS, software-as-a-service business anymore. With no-code AI tools like Bubble, Adalo, and GPT-powered APIs, you can create AI-driven tools that solve real problems for businesses. Subscription-based AI services can generate recurring monthly income, making this one of the most scalable AI-powered income streams. The key takeaway? AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating new ways to earn passive income. Whether you use AI to automate content, launch a faceless YouTube channel, start an e-commerce store, or create digital products, the opportunities are endless. The question is, are you ready to take action?